So listen students, so the chapter 7 we were completed on yesterday. The overall vision of the lesson of the chapter 7 stock exchange. So we have discussed this lesson for past 10 days. So what we have seen in the past 10 days, so we will revise the overall lesson in this class. First of all, first topic is origin and development. Origin, meaning and development. So a very important topic for 2 mark question. So the question will be asked from 2 mark question from origin of stock exchange, meaning of stock exchange, and the definition of stock exchange. So meaning of stock exchange 1 2 mark question, and the definition also 1 2 mark question. So there are 3 definitions of stock exchange. One is given by Hastings, other one is Husband and Auxiliary, and other one is Indian Contract Security Act of 1956. So you have to write any 1 or 2 definition if it is asked in 2 mark questions. There are 3 definitions. So 2 mark question from first topic, origin, meaning of stock exchange, and definition of stock exchange. Then second topic is functions of stock exchange. Functions of stock exchange consist of 8 points. So this question will be asked in this topic will be from 5 mark question. Functions of stock exchange is a 5 mark question, very important. So 8 points are there, you have to write from 5 to 6 points. And the third topic is features, characteristics, or the qualities of stock exchange. Features, characteristics, or qualities, all 3 one and the same. So there are 10 points. There are 10 features are there about the stock exchange. Out of 10 points, you have to write any 6 or 7 points. This is also 1 5 mark question. Then another topic is benefits and limitations of stock exchange. So there are 2 parts. One is name benefits of stock exchange and the limitations of stock exchange. The limitations of stock exchange will be the 3 mark question. So there are 5 limitations of stock exchange. So you have to write all 5 points regarding the limitations. It will be asked in the 3 mark question. And another topic is benefits of stock exchange. The benefits of stock exchange available to the community of the people or the companies. Second topic is company. Third one is investors. Benefits available to the community, benefits available to the company, benefit available to the investors. So the question is asked from 5 marks. So you have to write any 3 points from community, 3 points from company, and 3 points from investors. So very important 5 mark question. Benefits available to community or the people or the society, and benefits available to the company, and benefit available to the investors. There are 5 points in case of community, 4 points in case of companies, and 5 points in case of investors. So benefits of stock exchange is 5 mark question. You have to write each 3 points each of the category, in each category. That is stock exchange. Another topic is stock exchange in India. So the stock exchange is very important topic. It is classified into 2 divisions. That is the stock exchanges which are functioning in India, and the stock exchanges functioning all over the world, on the world level. So this part 2 more questions and 2 more questions from world level stock exchanges. So in case of stock exchange in India level, so there are 24 stock exchanges which are functioning in India. So out of 24 stock exchanges, 21 are regional stock exchanges, 3 are national stock exchanges. So this is very important topic. So out of 24 stock exchanges, 3 are national stock exchanges, namely National Stock Exchange, over the counter exchange of India, and interconnected stock exchange. These 3 are national stock exchanges. Only one stock exchange. There are number of regional regional stock exchanges are functioning in India. That is 21 stock exchanges. So out of 21 stock exchanges, Bombay Stock Exchange is the most important one. So this will be asked from 2 mark questions. So Bombay Stock Exchange is a very important one, which is the first recognized stock exchange in India. It is the first stock exchange in India. And also it is one of the top 10 stock exchange in the world level. So in world level there are 10 top 10 stock exchanges. So out of 10 stock exchanges, our stock exchange, that is Bombay Stock Exchange, is one of the top 10 stock exchange in the world. So you have to go through the Bombay Stock Exchange, very important. So Bombay Stock Exchange is one of the regional level stock exchanges. How many stock exchanges are functioning at regional level means? 21 stock exchanges. Total number of stock exchanges are functioning in our country is 24. 24 stock exchanges are functioning in India. Out of 24, 3 stock exchanges are functioning at world level, national level. National Stock Exchange, over-the-counter stock exchange, and interconnected stock exchange. These 3 are functioning at the world national level. One stock exchange, that is Bombay Stock Exchange, is most important one, functioning at the regional level stock exchange. So these topics are asked from the 2 mark questions. And the world level stock exchange, there are 10 stock exchanges, the top 10 stock exchanges are listed in our textbooks. So in this part, the 2 mark question will be asked. Then another topic is types of speculators. Very important topic. The questions will be asked 2 mark and 3 marks. So 2 marks means anyone. So there are 4 types of speculators, namely bull, bear, stake, and lamb duck. There are 4 types of speculators. If bull is a is an optimistic speculator, is a pessimistic speculator, is a cautious speculator or premium hunter. So bull is one of the important speculator, is always called as optimistic speculator. Bear is a pessimistic speculator. Stake is a cautious speculator as well as a premium hunter. So there are 4 types of speculators. Out of 4 speculators, if anyone asks, means it will be take part in the 2 mark questions. If you have to write any 2 means, that will be asked in the 3 mark questions. So this topic is very important for 2 mark as well as 3 mark questions. Types of speculators. Then another important topic is stock exchange versus commodity exchange. There are 9 points. That means the differentiation between the stock exchange and the commodity exchange. This will be asked in the 5 mark question. Then another topic is recent development in stock exchange. Recent development stock exchange. There are 5 institutions as considered as the recent developments. So this topic asked from the questions from 2 mark and 3 marks. 2 marks and 3 marks asked from this part. So National Stock Exchange, number 1, the recent development. There are 5 institutions, namely National Stock Exchange, then Stock Holding Corporation of India Limited, National Clearings Deposit System, Securities Trading Corporation or Stock Trading Corporation, and National Securities Development Limited, Development Corporation, NSDL, National Securities Development Limited. So these are 5 topics, 5 institutions asked from 2 mark and 3 mark questions. The next topic is participants. The important participants are premises, jobbers, brokers, and authorized clerks. The number of participants also be there that are functioning in stock exchange. However, the most important participants of the stock exchanges are premises. A very important 2 mark question. Premiser is an agent to the employee or the member. Agent is an agent to the members of stock exchange. Premiser is one of the participant who is the agent of the members of stock exchange. And authorized clerks is also another important 2-mark question. So authorized clerks means he is also one of the employee of the members of stock exchange. So that already discussed in the relevant classes. Then brokers is an intermediary between the buyers and the seller. Is also another important 2-mark question. Jobber is also another important 2-mark question. The jobbers are also called as Tarawaliwalas. The question will be asked like this: who is called as Tarawaliwalas? So they are called is nothing but jobbers. So there are 4 participants in the stock exchanges, important participants, namely remitters, jobbers, brokers, and the authorized clerks. These 4 topics are very important regarding 2-mark questions. Then regarding the stock exchange trading time, that is very important. The stock trading time of stock exchange. The markets are classified as stock market or share market and the commodity market. The timing of the stock market and the commodity market is not similar. Stock market is another classification, that is, one is regional stock exchange, that is Bombay Stock Exchange, and National Stock Exchange. National Stock Exchange. Bombay Stock Exchange is one of the regional stock exchange. National Stock Exchange (NSE). Even though it is a regional stock exchange and this is the national stock exchange, but the trading time is one and the same. The stock exchanges or trading time is 9:15 to 3:30 p.m. 9:15 to 3:30 p.m. without lunch break and without tea break. So this is only for working days, Monday to Friday. 9:15 to 3:30 is the trading time of stock exchange, both the regional stock exchange as well as the national stock exchange. Monday to Friday, 9:15 to 3:30 without lunch break and tea break. The stock exchanges are remain closed on Saturdays, Sundays as well as national holidays. And in case of commodity market, the functioning of commodity market depends upon the commodities are traded. If it is agriculture product means 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. 10 to 5 p.m. is the trading time of agriculture product. For other products 10 to only 11:30. 10 to 11:30 for other products and agriculture products 10 to 5 p.m. So regarding the commodity product, what are the commodities that are traded in the commodity market? So on the class we saw about various types of commodities. One is metal product, metal commodities, that is gold, silver and copper. Then energy products, oil and natural gas. Agriculture products, rice, wheat and cotton. And other commodities, livestock and cattle. This and all we saw in the relevant classes. So stock market exchange only shares, debentures and bonds that are exchanged in the stock market, whereas the commodities are exchanged in the commodity market. So the stock trading time is one and the same for both the regional stock exchange as well as the national stock exchange. Whereas the commodity exchange trading time is agriculture products 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and other product is 10 to 11:30 a.m. So the other topics are very important topics are Nifty, Sensex, Dollar Street, Lombard Street and Wall Street. So Nifty means we saw in the previous class. Nifty is the word originated from National and 50. Coined the new word which is known as Nifty. Nifty is the 50 important top companies from various sectors are considered as the calculation of the Nifty. As well as the Sensex is the index of stock exchange. Also consider 30 important sectors are to be taken into account for the calculation of Sensex as the index one. Then the remaining other important streets, Dollar Street, Lombard Street and Wall Street. This will be asked 5-mark questions. So Lombard Street and Wall Street asked from 5-mark question, Dollar Street asked from the 2-mark question. So Dollar Street, which is the important street which is functioning in the Mumbai, in our country, Mumbai city. Whereas Lombard Street, which is in London Stock Exchange, then Wall Street, which is functioning in New York. So Dallas Street, which is in Mumbai, Lombard Street, which is it is in London, and Wall Street, which is in New York. So these are asked from the 5-mark questions, and Nifty, Sensex, and Dallas Street asked from the 2-mark questions. So in case of recent development, 2-mark question and 3-mark questions, NSC, SHCAL, and NCDS, STC, and NSDL. These are all 2 marks and 3 mark questions. Participants, all the participants are related to 2 mark questions. There is a jobbers, brokers, and authorized clerks. All are all from 2 mark questions. Stock market and commodity market also asked from 2 mark questions. Stock exchange versus commodity exchange 9 points, 5 mark question. Stock exchanges in India 2 mark question. Stock market in the world 2 mark question. Types of speculators 2 marks and 3 marks. If it is asked only 1 means it will be 2 mark question. If it is asked any 2 means it will be 3 mark questions. And the benefits of stock exchange available to community, company, and investors all from 5 mark question. Limitations, there are 5 points will be asked in 3 mark question. Features of stock exchange, features, characteristics or qualities of stock exchange are one and the same. There are 10 points, you have to write 5 mark question. Then functions of stock exchange, 8 points are there. It will be asked in the 5 mark question. And origin, meaning, and definition. The 3 concepts are considered as 2 mark question. You have to write what is the origin of stock exchange, what is the meaning of stock exchange, and what are the definition of stock exchange. All questions, all the topics asked from the only 2 mark questions. So this is the detailed flow chart, the chapter number 7, which is stock exchange. So go through all the topics, and regarding 1 mark questions, you have to read line by line what I explained in the class. You have to read the 1 mark questions very carefully. If you thorough in all the chapters, nearly 15 marks asked from this chapter only. Nearly 15 marks will be asked from this chapter. So we go through thoroughly. We'll see in the next class.